I don't say this often, but this is my new favorite feature on Panoramata. For all brands, on the ad section, let's take AG1, for instance. Of course, you're able to see every single ads that they've been publishing on various social networks and Google Display and YouTube over time. But now, for each ad that we do receive, we're going to do a creative analysis to help you understand what's making it unique. So this one, for instance, you have a creative analysis button, problem solution, and the platform's telling you this one plays with fear, which is the case. Tell you which kind of personas, which kind of themes, which kind of emotions they're actually targeting and using in their ads as well. We're going to analyze for you what are the main USPs that they're using. Here it's about the right ratios. Uberman is telling that AG1 is perfect because they have the perfect ratios. So you can do this, of course, ad by ad, but also at a global level as well. Here you can see that all the most recent ads by AG1 has been about free gifts, gut health, a spring offer, the main emotions that they've been advertising on, and then have a whole creative analysis with specific data on what they've been doing and mentioning in their ads as well. The main team, the main USPs as well, with the whole list of the USPs that they've been using, the main arguments, the personas, the angles that they've been using as well, the main hold, the main hooks, and the main style. And the best thing is you can search. So here, for instance, I'm going to get all the UGC ads published by AG1 recently, and all the ones that are highlighting the cost-saving argument. Here we go. UGC. And you can see right away that there are indeed all the UGC ads. So this is the perfect filter. If you're looking for all the UGC ads made by AG1, you have the answer right away. Same thing as well for cost saving. And here again, you can see all their ads where they've been highlighting how cost effective their product is. This is now available on more and more companies on the platform. You have access here on a brief recap of the main emotion, the main USPs, and then for every brand, a whole creative analysis on what their focus has been on an advertising level and specifically within their creatives. It's the perfect way to understand what are their main arguments, if they're shifting, if they're inventing any new argument as well, and search in a click all the ones that actually fit your need and your research. That's it for today. Stay tuned. Bye-bye.